Another case of 808s and heartbreak. I don't know how much my heart can take, dawg, they all fake. Crooked lines that ain't straight, their eyes don't match the handshake. Claiming that you love Jay, some shit just what your mouth say. Know you heard what happened in the dark, come to the light, right? Affected by the nightlight, you need to get your life right. Homies fucking homies, bitches. Now we tolerating snitching. Same time you was presented, rather give it to your nigga. Excuse me, I beg the different. This ain't what I call living. Matter of fact, fuck y'all niggas. Death to all the fake and let the real live. I see it clear. Love here's equivalent to a blind spot in a rearview mirror. Just some shit you can't see. They claim they G, can't be. Tell you like Jesus said right before he broke the bread. Someone in your circle always end up crossing in the end. Break the plate and wash my hand. This definitely the last supper. Man, fuck y'all motherfuckers, nigga. For real.
Talk behind your back with a smile in your face. Can't keep it real to save their life, bro. Fuck. Same way I get up in the morning and brush my teeth, I see me, nigga. Worry about y'all.
Before this quarantine, I was practicing social distance. Invest all time in myself, now I'm fully committed. Sometimes I go against my will, end up using, I get it. Cause I got a heart of gold and I ain't scared to admit it. My problem was being loyal to the wrong individuals. Claiming they real when they isn't, don't deserve to begin with. Manipulate their situation, make sure that it benefit. Stepped outside myself, now I'm paying attention. Why niggas feel the need to lie? Look here, nigga, I'm grown. And if you burning your bridges, how you expect to cross? Talk behind my back, but in my presence, not at all. Like Tupac say, they feel you in the visible form. That's why I don't mind being solo rest of my days. Only fuck with who fuck with me, that's just how I play. Just like everybody else, I got my own way. Only focus on this money, look baby, I'm straight. I'm straight.
I'm straight.